let's go. What's A? A is equal to the tangent of x, so the inverse tan of 3 over 6 is 26.57. Bugs Bunny was 33 meters below ground, digging his way towards Pismo Beach. When he realized he wanted to be above ground, he turned and dug diagonally 80 meters till he was above ground. What was the angle that he climbed? Rather dug. So we have tan, no. So we have an opposite and hypotenuse, so that's sine of x is equal to, opposite is 33 over hypotenuse. So let's see, the sine of 33 over hypotenuse. What angle did he dig at? 24.4. What is secant of alpha? So that is the inverse of tan. No. What is secant? I think it's 1 over cosine. So it's cosine is opposite, or so it's adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 25. So I think it's 25 over 7. 1, 2, 3 are given. Use on the trials to approximate BC to AB. BC it's a good approximation right here. 55 degrees, 55 degrees. What is the ratio? B to C to A, sorry, B to C to A to B. B to C to A to B. B to C is on top, so 8.2, 10. Yeah, that seems right, 8.2. Which expression represents the length of K to L? So we have the sine of 60. So let's do 60. So we have the sine of 60 is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is 5.2 over hypotenuse, which is x. So we can multiply it times x. We get x sine of 60, 5.2. So 5.2 over sine of 60. And then 3 over sine of AC is equal to what? Let's see, so this is 20. Want to find this, we can have, it's adjacent, so that's a tan of 70 is equal to 6 over x. So we have 6 over tan of 70 is equal to x. So we have, that's about 2.18. What is angle B? Let's see, so we have sine, we have, so that's opposite over hypotenuse. So yeah, so sine of x is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So x is equal to sine inverse 1 4 over 9. 4 over 9. Which is 26. That sounds reasonable. 26.39. Thank you, Lord. Cot of B. So that's arctan. No, that's 1 over tan. What is cot of angle B? So we have tangent is opposite for adjacent, so that's probably adjacent over opposite, 2.4. Cot. Adjacent over opposite. Adjacent divided by opposite. Yeah, 2.4. Yay, consider the right. JKL. What expressions are equal to the sine of k? Sine of k. So if k, the sine of k is opposite over hypotenuse, so opposite is L to J over K to J. So that's wrong. Cosine of L Let's put this in a cute little box. Put bow on top of it. Let's put a red bow on top of it. No. Can I control Y this? No. Oh. AV. Say that V. Length of side opposite to L. Adjacent to K is equal to opposite to L. The cosine of L. adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent. Length of side adjacent to K. That's this. Divided by hypotenuse. Opposite to L. Divided by hypotenuse. Cosine of L. So that's J to L. These two are talking about the same thing. J to L divided by K to L. And then L is cosine of L is so that's adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent side, adjacent divided by hypotenuse, so that's correct. And then J to L, which is the adjacent divided by hypotenuse K. I think that's right. Yeah. Okay, so we have 2.75 plus wherever this is, so that is x. Let's do adjacent, so that's cosine of 29 is equal to x over 5, so 5 cosine 29. That's 5 cosine 29 is 4 plus 2.75. 7.12. It's the last question, so I get it right. So Howard is designing a chair on a swing ride. The swing ropes are 5 meters long, and his full swing they tilt is at an angle of 29. Howard wants the chair to be 2.75 meters above the ground in full swing. How tall should the pole of the swing ride be? .12 meters. Yeah. How close are we? So close.